Things are sport entertainment. We're back with the wrestling final. Yeah, I'm here with Ramos. He was the captain last year. They lost into the finals. The history changes today. He's now the champion. He also got the call up to the first team call up. What can you say, man? How's it, man? Yeah, man, call up, man. First team. It shows you were putting more effort. Your hard work paid off. Namhlanje. Man, it's a big one, man. What can you say? Sure. Yeah. I believe so.
It's a professional football.
Sure.
There come my face.
Yes, motivation Yakumeruba. Yamazuba from Opit College. 40 years old, first debut to professional football. Sure. Yeah. Sure. Ramesh, feeling nothing, man.
Yeah. I'm proud to be
Sure. Yeah. Sure. Thank you.